Can you show Mommy? You're doing a good job. Keep going. Who's on the cup? Who's on that cup? Look at the cup. Lucia, look at the cup. Who's on there?
Elmo.
Look, it's Elmo. Do you like it? Yeah, what else? Oh, what's that? Grandma really wrapped it up tight, didn't she? There you go. Oh, you love opening gifts, don't you? You're going to be a pro at Christmas. What is it? Show Mommy.
A cat.
Is it a dress? Oh, look. Very pretty. Perfect. Ooh. What's that? And pajamas. You really need pajamas, Lucia. Those are so cute. What is it?
What's that?
Let me see.
Oh!
You like it?
Apple. Apple.
Okay, I'll open it. What else do you have here? Let's finish what you have here and then we'll open it. More pajamas! Yay! Grandma, listen. All right, open this one. Oh. Let me see. Show Mommy. What is it? It's Elmo. Look, you got an Elmo cup and an Elmo plate. Whoa.
What's that?
Another gift. What's that?
What's that?
That is
Elmo.
Elmo. Ooh. See, you can open it and you can put your snacks in there or your sandwich. See? Cool. I think you got more in there. What's that? What is it? Let me see. Oh! What are they? They're bows. How pretty. What? You want to put in your hair? Don't break it. You want Mommy put in your hair? Let me see. Ooh. You must really like this one. What is it? Let me see. Are those jeans? Oh, okay. I guess. What is it?
Oh.
Let me see. Whoa, it's plates and spoons and teacups.
Oh.
Wow. Say thank you, Grandma. Can you say thank you, Grandma?
Daddy.
Thank you who? Say thank you, Grandma.
Daddy.
Grandma?
Apple.
Wait, I think there's one more. What's that? Here, let Mommy help. Oh, okay. What is it? Let me see. Is it a book? Oh. Do you like it? Can you say thank you, Grandma?
Daddy.
Say love you.
Shut up.